It's Stealth Dashcam install day. Watch the rest of the video to see how you can install this Stealth Dashcam.
Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's a pretty dreary day out today, and I thought we would try to get a mod done because I'm losing my mind sitting in the house. So today we're going to install the Garmin Dashcam Mini. I got this for Christmas. They're not super expensive, but what I like about them is, true to the name, is they're really small. So this will sit behind my rearview mirror, and I won't really be able to see it. It won't distract me. It also doesn't require me pulling the headliner or doing kind of quote-unquote a professional install, something I can do really quickly and easily. So a couple things that I've learned through watching others, Chloe Kuo Tacoma channel specifically, is one, get a small, I like a right angle USB cord. I can post a link to this in the description. But two is, and this is critical for this installation, is it's a company called Donger Solutions. They make essentially a wiring adapter dongle. This end plugs into the factory Tacoma rear view mirror, and this is the same pin out as the mirror, but it adds power for USB. So it just taps power and ground, and it's a switched power, so it doesn't stay on all the time. So if you want parking mode, this is probably not for you. This is only when the vehicle's on. But it allows me to plug in the USB power supply for the camera, put the camera up, and call it a day. So I'll take you through how this install goes. It's really simple, really easy. Anyone can do it.
All right, here's what I wanted to show. You can see the clip is here. You can't really see with my hand. There's a little tab. Press down, pull. So that's out. Now you can take the dongle adapter. I'll go in this way. Plug into the back of the mirror. Now you plug in this to the back here, and then you plug your camera into the USB on top there. All right, I've gotten that all put together, and now I'm just gonna put the camera on the circular mount, adjust it like I want it, and that's pretty much it. It's good to go. And now we're going to show everything powered up now that it's plugged in correctly. We got the green, which means it's booting. The red, which means recording. So if there's an emergency or something you want to capture, you can press this button on the back and it'll save that footage. And then this is your microphone button here. That's now recording audio when it's red, not recording audio when it's off. Pretty simple and pretty effective. I'll include some footage of the camera as well. So now I want to show you roughly my eye level. Can't really see anything going on behind the mirror. You come down low, you can see the red light for the camera is now recording because the engine's on. And that's what it looks like, kind of final project, right? You can see the dongle adapter, the USB plugs into that, and then right into the camera. Super simple, super easy. Here is actual footage for the Garmin Dashcam Mini sitting in my Toyota Tacoma. It was a pretty rainy day, so it wasn't extremely bright out, but you can see the details are great. It's 1080p. I'm looking forward to shooting more of this footage when the weather's a little bit nicer. Also, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get more videos like this from East West Autos.